Hi friends, it's Mads. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet increase. To do a double crochet increase, we're going to be working 2 double crochets into 1 stitch. So we're going to start with our first one, yarn over, put your hook through that stitch. So you've got 2 loops plus the stitch on your hook. Yarn over, pull through just the stitch. So you've got 3 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 only. So you've got 2 loops now on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops to complete your first double crochet. Now we're going to do another double crochet into the exact same stitch. So you're going to yarn over, put your hook through that same stitch, yarn over again and pull it through. So now you've got 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through just the first 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 to finish your second double crochet. So now you've worked 2 double crochets into 1 stitch from the previous row, and that's how you do a double crochet increase. I hope you found that useful. If you're interested in more tutorials, I will leave a playlist in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.